Hello everyone, welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question. Question was the postal identification number, that is PIN, was introduced in India in 1952, 1962, 1972 or 1982. The correct answer is option C, 1972. The 76th Independence Day coincides with another milestone in the country's history. It was on August 15, 1972 that the postal identification number, that is PIN, was introduced in India. Hence, option C is correct. The PIN is made up of 6 digits. The first number indicates the postal region, northern, eastern, western, southern, and the number 9 signifies the Army Postal Service. The second number denotes a sub-region and the third represents the sorting district. The remaining numbers narrow the geography further to the specific post office making the delivery. The person behind this initiative was Sriram Bhikaji Velankar, Additional Secretary in the Union Ministry of Communications and a senior member of the Post and Telegraphs Board. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, the OPEC Secretariat is located in Riyadh, Baghdad, Manama or Vienna? The correct answer is option D, Vienna. India's demand for petroleum products such as petrol and diesel will grow by 7.73% in 2022, the fastest pace in the world, an OPEC report said. The OPEC, that is Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, is a permanent intergovernmental organization. It was created at the Baghdad Conference on September 10 to 14, 1960 by Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. The 5 founding members were later joined by Qatar in 1961, which terminated its membership in January 2019. OPEC had its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland in the first 5 years of its existence. This was moved to Vienna, Austria on September 1, 1965. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is, recently the term Vostok was in news. It is related to hypersonic missile, military exercise, nuclear submarine or rocket system. The correct answer is option B, military exercise. Indian and Chinese troops are set to take part in military exercises in Russia soon. The Vostok East 2022 military exercises will be held from August 30 to September 5 in 13 training grounds in eastern Russia. Hence, option B is correct. Belarus, Tajikistan, Mongolia and other countries will also participate in the drills. In 2021, India attended exercise Zapad 2021 drills in Russia, in which 17 countries, including China and Pakistan, took part. Next question is, Namaste scheme is associated with which of the following ministries? Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of External Affairs or Ministry of Defense? The correct answer is option A, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. National Action for Mechanized Sanitation Ecosystem, that is Namaste, is a central sector scheme of the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, that is MOSJE. It is a joint initiative of the MOSJE and the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs or MOHUA. Hence, option A is correct. Namaste envisages safety and dignity of sanitation workers in urban India by creating an enabling ecosystem. They will be provided occupational safety through capacity building and improved access to safety gear and machines. It also aims at providing access to alternative livelihood support and entitlements to reduce the vulnerabilities of sanitation workers. In addition, it would bring about a behavior change amongst citizens towards sanitation workers. Next question is, the International Transport Forum or ITF is administratively integrated with World Economic Forum, International Monetary Fund or Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. The correct answer is option D, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Recently, the Cabinet approved the signing of a contract between India and France to support ITF, that is International Transport Forum activities in the Indian transport sector. The ITF at the OECD is an intergovernmental organization with 64 member countries. It acts as a think tank for transport policy and organizes the annual summit of transport ministers. ITF is the only global body that covers all transport modes. The ITF is administratively integrated with the OECD yet politically autonomous. Hence, option D is correct. Its mission is to foster a deeper understanding of the role of transport in economic growth, environmental sustainability, and social inclusion. Next question is, the Traditional Knowledge Digital Library or TKDL was established in 2000, 2001, 2002 or 2003. The correct answer is option B, 2001. Recently, the cabinet chaired by the Prime Minister of India has approved the widening access of the Traditional Knowledge Digital Library or TKDL database to users besides patent offices. TKDL is a prior art database of Indian traditional knowledge established in 2001. It is jointly developed by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and Department of Indian Systems of Medicine and Homeopathy. It is a first of its kind globally and has been serving as an exemplary model to other nations. It currently contains information from existing literature related to ISM such as Ayurveda, Unani, Siddh, Sova, Rigpa and Yoga. The information is documented in a digitized format in 5 international languages which are English, German, French, Japanese and Spanish. Hence option B is correct. Next question is, Just Transition Fund is related to Quad, SCO, NATO or European Union. The correct answer is option D, European Union. The fund is one of the elements of the Just Transition Mechanism of the European Union for a transition towards climate neutrality. Hence, option D is correct. The European Commission provides grants to the member states having identified the territories expected to be the most negatively impacted by the green transition. Next question is, which of the following best describes the Ryugu? Algae, mammal, galaxy or asteroid? The correct answer is option D, asteroid. The Hayabusa 2 mission of Japan was launched in December 2014 when the spacecraft was sent on a 6-year voyage to study the asteroid Ryugu. Hence, option D is correct. Hayabusa 2's predecessor, the Hayabusa mission, brought back samples from the asteroid Itokawa in 2010. Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the Sun, much smaller than planets. They are also called minor planets. Asteroids are divided into 3 classes. First are those found in the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. The second group is that of Trojans, which are asteroids that share an orbit with a larger planet. And the third classification is the near-Earth asteroids or NEA, which have orbits that pass close to the Earth. Next question is, which of the following countries became the first country to approve a booster vaccine aimed at the Omicron variant of COVID-19? United Kingdom, France, Germany or USA? The correct answer is option A, United Kingdom. Recently, the United Kingdom became the first country to approve a booster vaccine aimed at the Omicron variant of COVID-19. Hence, option A is correct. The newly authorized vaccine is an updated version of the COVID-19 vaccine made by Moderna that targets 2 coronavirus variants known as a bivalent vaccine. It is approved for use as a booster for adults only. In each dose of the booster vaccine, Spikevax bivalent original Omicron, half of the vaccine targets the original virus strain from 2020 and the other half targets Omicron. Next question is, which of the following cities has the highest levels of pollution globally in the terms of particulate matter, that is PM 2.5? Delhi, Beijing, Dhaka or Karachi? The correct answer is option A, Delhi. Delhi and Kolkata have the highest and second highest levels of pollution globally in terms of particulate matter or PM 2.5. Hence, option A is correct. The report titled Air Quality and Health in Cities has been published by the US-based research organization HEI, that is Health Effects Institute. It is released by HEI's State of Global Air Initiative. The analysis focused on 2 of the most harmful pollutants, fine particulate matter PM 2.5 and NO2. Shanghai led the list of cities most polluted due to NO2. Last question is, the natural host of the West Nile virus are fishes, primates, fruit bats, or birds? The correct answer is option D, birds. Recently, cases of the West Nile virus has been detected in New York. West Nile virus or WNV can cause neurological disease and death in people. This virus is a member of the Flavivirus genus and belongs to the Japanese encephalitis antigenic complex of the family Flaviviridae. It is mainly transmitted to people through the bites of infected mosquitoes. Birds are the natural host of the West Nile virus. Hence, option D is correct. Humans, horses, and other mammals can be infected. No vaccine is available for humans. Now it's time for the practice question. The Getting to Zero coalition is related to New Development Bank, Asian Development Bank, World Bank, or World Economic Forum. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.